Hi, it's Tom from Rearward Transits. This is just a quick walk around video to show you our latest van in stock, which is a Ford Transit Custom Tourneo Titanium Independence RS. Now this is a WAV or wheelchair accessible vehicle, so it comes with an electric soft start winch, 4 Q restraints and a bifold ramp. Six fixed seats and room in the third row for 1 wheelchair and occupant. Registered at the end of July 2019, sitting on a 19 plate. This van has covered just over 8,600 miles and it comes with the balance of Ford manufacturer's warranty, so that's 3 years from date of registration or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. As it's a titanium, titanium series, it's very well spec'd, so you've got parking sensors front and rear, body coloured door handles, body colour bumpers, 16-inch alloy wheels, dual side loading doors, side step, upgraded stainless steel high security door lock fitted by Rearward Transits, heated door mirrors, heated windscreen, quarter-inch fog lights, 5-bar chrome grille, and this is a 6-speed automatic 130 PS 320. So access via the bifold ramp, and here you can see the typical WAV features. So you've got the 2 rear Q restraints, you've got the front 2 restraints, you've got the electric soft start winch, which is operated by this controller. Up ahead you can see the 3 second row seats, which they fold flat, they're reversible, and they can be completely removed individually. And up in the cab you've got the dual passenger cab seat, single driver seat, manual air conditioning in the back, tinted glass and sunblinds. I'm just going to demonstrate how we remove the second row seats and how we turn them around. So now you can see the space with the second row seats removed, and you can see clearly now the wheelchair restraints. For further information on how to secure a wheelchair, please see our other WAV videos on YouTube. And now you have the 3 seats in the second row in the forward facing position. So inside the cab is in excellent condition. Cab carpet, double passenger cab seat and single driver seat, so that's got 10-way adjustment with lumbar support. Electric windows, power folding mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, automatic rain sensing wipers, voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, cruise control, speed limiter, automatic gearbox, so just the 2 pedals. Then over here you've got your AC, your heated outer seats, your heated windscreen, quick clear and quick cool, automatic stop start, now with the tailgate closed, here you can see the display that your parking sensors for the front and for the rear. And this is also the Ford Sync entertainment system, so Ford Sync 3. So a great blend of physical and touchscreen buttons, and when you connect your phone through USB you can access Android or Apple CarPlay. And just confirming the mileage. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit Custom Tourneo Titanium Independence RS covered just over 8,600 miles. Good chunk of warranty still left on it. This is a 6-speed automatic, 130 PS, 6 fixed seats and room for 1 wheelchair and occupant in the 3rd row. If you'd like to organise a viewing or require any more information, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.